Alright guys, 36 Ford. '36 Ford eBay barn find. Been trying to do some fine tuning on it. What little bit of time I've had, we've had some personal stuff crop up, and had to do a bunch of business the past couple of days. So anyway, we got her idling like a sewing machine. We're going to take her for a ride here in a little while. Here, let's see here. She's been warming up for about 15 minutes, ain't even. Okay, got plenty of oil pressure. The vacuum's a little low. She still ain't hot yet. She needs to warm up. The vacuum will come up. And then the amp meter there is rocking pretty good. And believe it or not, the temperature gauge don't work, but once we get a cylinder in the tank, that fuel gauge will work as well. So for right now, that trip meter is our fuel gauge. So anyway, y'all have a good evening.